In this video, we will learn how to make a nature slide with design in PowerPoint for presentation. So let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Text box, write question mark here, select and change the font, increase font size, go back to Insert, click on Shape, select rectangle, drag it like this. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Delete unwanted part. Increase size in this way. Go back to Insert, click on Shape, select Rectangle, drag it like this. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Fragment. Delete the rest except this one. Select this, make two duplicates using Ctrl Shift. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Subtract. Make duplicate using Ctrl Shift. Select all, go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Deselect this, go to Merge Shape and select Union. Click on right button, copy it and go to View tab. Click on Slide Master, select and delete. Paste here, click on Insert Placeholder, select Picture, drag it, send to back and click on Outside. Select both, go to Merge Shape and select Intersect. Click on Slide Master and close Master View. Click on New Slide, select this blank slide. Click icon to add picture. Here I have downloaded picture from Google, select and insert it. Go to first slide, select this, cut using Ctrl X. Go to second slide, paste here. Go to Format, select color using eyedropper. And also select background color. Whatever PPT you are creating, highlight information here. Select this, go to Animation tab, apply wipe animation. Also increase the duration size. Select and click on Animation Painter and apply on this. Go to Effect option, select from top. Select Start after previous. Apply the same animation to the rest of the text boxes using the Animation Painter. Now let's go to full screen. So look how beautiful your animation looks. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.